Welcome to Foodie Friday. I'm Emily Leggett, the teen librarian at the Tewksbury Public Library, and today we're going to make chocolate pie. This is a quick, easy recipe, only requiring the ingredients and a fridge available. Ingredients for today will be whipped cream, 8 ounces of Cool Whip, any type of crust that you would like, and meltable chocolate. We use the meltables, but you can also use chocolate chips. An optional ingredient that's not listed here are Hershey bars, and those are for decoration at the end, but you do not need them. All right, you're going to grab your bowl and put in your meltable chocolate. You're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute at a time, stirring it and seeing if it needs more. You don't want to overdo because it can get burned to pieces. It'll come out looking something like this. Next up, you're going to add Cool Whip. Note here, if you put all of the Cool Whip in, it will make what tastes like little chunks of chocolate in it because of the hot of your chocolate and the cool of the Cool Whip together. You can try to lessen this by putting it one at a time and mixing it like little chunks rather than the whole thing like I'm doing now. But it's up to you. It still tastes delicious either way. It's just not necessarily as smooth if you put it in like I just did. And this is a great time to learn from my mistakes. I used a whisk. I would not. I would suggest that you use a spoon to mix it all together because when those chunks start forming, they'll get stuck in the whisk. And as is becoming a running gag on Foodie Fridays, I picked a bowl that was too small. So we're going to change the bowl, mix it all together, and then you're ready for the next step. Once it's done, your concoction should look something like this. You're going to take it out of your bowl and put it into your pie crust, evening it out so it is equally distributed in your pie crust. How much room it takes up will depend on the size of your pie crust. The one I'm using is 6 ounces, so there's a lot of room for whipped cream on the top, but you can get a smaller one or a larger one depending on your preference on how much whipped cream you'd like. Next, you're going to put this in the fridge and let it set for a minimum of 1 hour, ideally overnight, but an hour minimum. Once it has set, you can pour your whipped cream on to fill up that pie and break up your Hershey pieces for your toppings. There you have it. You have an easy to make chocolate pie that is a delicious dessert to bring anywhere or to share with family. As always, we hope you had a great time at Foodie Friday. We would love to see what you made, so feel free to share it with us on social media or via email. And we will see you next month. Bye!